Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn English 8th lesson of Unit 1, 1.8 Reading Time from English Bal Bharti textbook. Children, today we are going to visit classroom. Yes, classroom, a place where you all with your friends learn to read, write, do different activities and maintain discipline at the same time. Not only studying, but we also have fun time in our classroom, right? Like singing, playing, dancing, and watching AV in free time. Now come to page number 14 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. So children, when you enter your classroom, don't you look different things at different places? For example, blackboard on the wall, dustbin in the corner, cupboard near the wall. What else you see? Charts placed on the walls, windows, benches, desks, teacher's table and chair, books. And what else, children? Doors, windows, projector, right? Okay. However, your classroom must be according to you. So in this lesson, today we will observe how classroom is described by using different pictures. Of things that we look in our classroom. At the same time, we will learn to read those pictures. So before we start reading, children, look who is here come to meet you all. Hi, I am Pinky. How are you all, my friends? Come with me. I want to show you my classroom. This is my classroom. Now this is Pinky's classroom. There is a big. Which picture is this? The picture is of blackboard. Now we are going to read along with the picture. There is a big blackboard on the wall. So children, these are some things that we look every day in our classroom. Now we are going to read along with the picture. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. So where does the teacher write? On the blackboard with chalk. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. Where does the teacher keeps her books on? On the table. She also has a chair to sit on. Where does the teacher sit? On the chair. She is busy the whole day. Now Pinky is saying that her teacher is busy the whole day. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. Our classroom has a door and 2 windows. Isn't we have benches and desks in our classroom? So where do we sit? On the bench. And where do we keep our books on? On the desk. Our classroom has a door and 2 windows. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's work on various topics. When your teacher asks you to make charts on different topics, like for example cleanliness, good habits, or related to any topic of the lesson, after that, where she put on the charts? On the walls. The charts display children work on various topics. Display means it is placed in order that it can be seen by everyone. It shows children's work on various means different topics. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. Projector is a machine used for showing films, songs, stories, etc. So don't we watch AV in a classroom? Isn't it fun? Yes. It is fun to watch the films. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. Now Pinky is saying there is a cupboard where? Near the wall. We keep our material there. Material means like book, paper, projects, etc. Where do we keep? Where teacher keeps all of them? In the cupboard. There is a dustbin in the corner. Dustbin is where? In the corner. We keep our classroom clean. So we all should keep our classroom how? Clean. Draw pictures of the things in your classroom. Children, you can draw any pictures. Cupboard, dustbin, bench, desk, table, chair, blackboard. So you can draw any picture in your book. Describe your classroom in 5 sentences with the words given below. Board, chalk, table, chair, benches, desks, books, door, windows, cupboard, dustbin. Now these are the words you can use to describe your classroom in 5 sentences. Let's revise some keywords. Classroom, a room where students are taught in a school. Various, different. Display, something that people look at. Chart, a sheet of information. Material, things used for doing something. Projector, a machine used for showing motion pictures on a screen. Things that you find in your classroom. Observe the picture and tell its name. Blackboard, table, books, benches, projector, dustbin, charts, cupboard. Today in this lesson, we also have learned about position words, that is on, near, in, inside, etc. These words show position of things and people. Position means where it is kept. Now blackboard in this first picture, where you can see this is on the wall. This is chart. It is also hanging on the wall. Clock is placed on the wall. Here there is one table, and on the table there are some books. So books are kept where? On the table. This is dustbin. Dustbin is kept in the corner. Children are sitting on the bench and they kept their books on the desk. From the picture you can observe they are sitting on the bench. And where do they keeping their books on? On the desk. Cupboard is near the wall. Books are kept inside the cupboard. Now in this picture, cupboard is placed where? Near the wall. Wall you can see. This is wall. And books are kept inside the cupboard. find me where I am. Now these are the pictures: blackboard, books, dustbin and cupboard. Now from the box you have to select where you find these things. Blackboard, I am on the wall. So where you see blackboard, on the wall. Books, where you keep books, on the table. Dustbin, dustbin is kept in the corner. Cupboard, I am near the wall. These are some dictation words. You have to write these words 3 times in your rough notebook. Let's recite. B-O-A-R-D, board. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. T-A-B-L-E, table. C-H-A-I-R, chair. B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. D-E-S-K-S, desks. B-O-O-K-S, books. D-O-O-R, door. W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. C-H-A-R-T-S, charts. D-I-S-P-L-A-Y, display. V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various. T-O-P-I-C-S, topics. P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R, projector. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. F-I-L-M-S, films. S-O-N-G-S, songs. So my dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. If it was helpful for you, so please don't forget to do the following things: like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Fareen Miss, comment below your views for further update. For further videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.